Hey guys, I'm Nishant speaking from Stroller, and in today's video I'll tell you what to do if you face this particular error related to reference number already used when you're trying to fill in the VFS appointment for France visa. I'll explain you what's the workaround using which you can complete the application and take the appointment for your Schengen visa. Do remember to like, subscribe and share if you find it useful. So I tried multiple hacks. I tried calling VFS center. I sent them mails to get this rectified, but it did not help. And finally, I tried to figure out some workaround. So what you can do is you have to go to French Visa Embassy website, and here you have to create a new application number for that particular person whose visa appointment is getting that error. In my case, as I had earlier said, before you get the appointment of VFS, you should not click on this continue button. But since I had already continued this, I cannot now modify anything here. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to delete this group entirely and then again create a new group. And once I create a new group, I will be able to duplicate the data of this particular person and a new application ID will be generated. So for example, let me delete the group. So you have to create new application for your group and then you will have to duplicate it for the person for whom you are getting that particular error. So what will happen is you will get a new application number without much of an inconvenience, and that can then be used in your France visa application. So let me just create that quickly. So it has created another application number for me. So as you see here, different application numbers are created, and now I can use this new application number. I can change the application number here from this to this and just click on save, and that's it. Voila, the problem is solved and you are able to proceed. So this is the only workaround which will help you bypass this problem. Again, I'm repeating, if you had mistakenly clicked on this continue button without filling in all these details and getting your appointment, you will not be able to find any workaround. In that case, you will have to start the process again. You will have to create new set of applications here and then go to VFS web page and then you have to get the appointments again. So that's the reason I had very clearly said, do not click on continue button until you get all the details added here on VFS page and get the appointment. Only once you get the appointment, you can go and click on the continue button. That should be the case. I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know in comments if you have any other doubts or if you want me to cover any other topic related to Schengen visa. And do remember to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, this is Nishant signing off. Bye, take care, tada.